Just like life, why people watch a film, why they read a book, how the novel started, how this art of storytelling started. Telling the story, whether it's boring or not, but you find an audience. Whether you don't or you do, doesn't really matter. You can always read it. You can always read it, can't you? I think you can. I think you can. Some people dance all right. Some people dance. Some say this and some say that and some whisper, and they're not Chinese, and it's malevolent and nasty. Boy. And they're not Japanese. And they don't like this and they don't like that, and they're quite hateful. And they spit and spat and they drip with saliva. Can you figure it out? No, I'm not a cat, I'm not a dog. I'm a cog in the automated, ritualistic, pragmatic machine. I'm the person that goes beyond something, outside of that and around every single shape. There's no shifting. No shifting at all. Sometimes you hope you'd frame that you have it right, that you have it all done, because I have to improvise tonight, impromptu, always have. And you speak in this tone so you know the pitch and the witch and the warlock. Imagination, imagine that. Imagination, that the outside me and the inside me is the same person. It's called imagination. Imagine that. The nation, the frustration of trying to confuse me, in for this and in for that. Bribery, blackmail, whitemail. Let's go sailing down a yacht, shall we? Let's go flailing against someone innocent again. But don't go killing and raping. That's not my kind of thing. No, it's not my scene at all. You don't see any takes like that with me, no matter how boring or annoying or obnoxious someone might be. There's no excuse. There's no excuse at all. There's no excuse at all. I think I know what character was based on what, and based on this, and based on that, based on this, and based on that. Boy, you fit the face, you fit the profile. It's all truth, you know. It's all truth with me. Sometimes you find yourself in a sea of consciousness. The stream catches you and the current trend just doesn't match what seems to be yours. For what is yours and yours only. It always is yours, always has been yours. Sometimes you find yourself in all fours. You say, let's not be anal retentive. Let's be more oral, shall we? We'll twist around, we'll do the twisterino. Drop my hand for your touch. Yes, I didn't ask for that much. I didn't want that much. Sometimes you find yourself and you say, how can I relate with every single human being that's just not seeing the right pitch? Some people are good, some people aren't. Sometimes you have to say what everyone else has heard before, just so they understand it. Just so they understand it. To be formal and informal, as I say before. It's good to be single. And you can see why the when never fell for the what, while you stared at all of the floors that reflected some form of ceiling of no ceiling, and you looked at the stars, all of the stars that move the emotions and feelings. I can always do it better the next day, and the next day, and the next day. You can always lift yourself, ascend and smile, uplift, ascension, beseech. Do you see what I think? Do you feel what I know? Am I the bow to your tie by the land and sea? Ah yes, grace all of that. Countryside with my tongue. Yes, lubricate it, put it down. You can like the lakes and partake in some sliding, unsung poem, which you had lurking within. You had it lurking within. You say, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. And you say it. You say, you should have said that before. You should have said that before the war took place. But then you say to yourself and to the other and 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 the other, when then shall I say it? When shall I say it? When shall I begin? The sentence of freedom. Freedom of speech. Out of reach for some. Torturing the wrong people, the wrong kind, who aren't that mean. And then you say, please rewind. Please rewind. You've the wrong guy. Fuck's sake, you've the wrong guy. I smile like him. Well, at least the mask. Paint my face green. Because sometimes I envy myself. Sometimes you envy everyone. Boy, not of this shelf. Why am I this good? I don't know. But then again, everyone has a quip and an answer for everything. They're like this malignant nastiness, incessantly saying something on top of what you just said. I'm an unpaid artist, brilliant, outstanding, out of this planet. Boy, you could say, call me Wallace, Edward A.G. Wallace, A.G. Wallace, Edward A.G. Wallace. Always keep them guessing. Question marks. Open-ended. Ad nauseum. Boy, I hope that when I look at myself, I look great. I better. I like me. And I try not to inflict pain upon others, even when they inflict it upon mine. But then again, just drink the wine of the south and the nine of the mouth. What does that mean? I don't know. I don't know, and it doesn't matter. What a mind. That's what I say to myself all the time in the mirror. Boy, you're great. Outstanding. You should see the state of the outside people. You could say this is the sane place. The sane asylum. I like that. That was good. No, I like that. I heard that. I heard it a few hours before. Hours. Toil, towel. Corrections. Elections of the next second.